Understanding the word crowd. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the meaning of the word crowd. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it in various contexts. Crowd is a noun that refers to a large number of people gathered together, typically in a disorganized or unruly way. Imagine being at a concert or a popular event where there are many people around you. That gathering of people can be referred to as a crowd. To better understand the word crowd, let's see it in action. 1. The crowd roared with excitement when the band took the stage. 2. He tried to find his friend in the crowd but it was too dense. 3. She doesn't like places with big crowds as they make her anxious. From these examples, you can see that crowd can be used to describe any large group of people, whether at events, in public places, or even metaphorically in some contexts. Crowd can also appear in various idiomatic expressions. Let's explore a few. 1. Three's a crowd. Used to say that a third person isn't welcome in a situation, especially when two other people want to be alone together. 2. Stand out from the crowd. To be noticeably different or better than other people. 3. Follow the crowd. To do what everyone else is doing. There are words that can be used in place of crowd in various contexts. Here are a few. 1. Throng. Often used to describe a large, densely packed crowd, especially one that is in motion. 2. Gathering. A group of people coming together for a common purpose. 3. Assembly. People gathered together in one place for a common purpose. And there you have it. The word crowd describes a gathering of a large number of people. Whether you're talking about a bustling city square, a packed concert, or a popular event, crowd is the word you'll often use. We hope this video has made the concept clear for you. Remember, English is filled with rich vocabulary, and every word has its story. Happy learning!